Hi, welcome to Technical Tuesday. Today I would be continuing my series on posture and will talk about flat foot today. If you have missed my earlier videos in the series, make sure to watch them first for the better understanding. Flat foot is a condition in which the entire sole of the foot touches the floor when standing. Most of the people suffer from the flat foot, but they never realize because they have no symptoms. But some may start experiencing the pain in their feet, especially when they start aging and when they start adding weight to their body. Now, where all does it pain when you have a flat foot? You may feel the pain in your ankles, arch of the foot, calf, back, knees, hips. The causes of the flat feet includes genetic factors, as flat feet can run in families. Weak arch, ankle injury, arthritis, all these can be the reason for flat foot. Some patients with flat feet may automatically align their limbs in such a way that the symptom never develops. Treatment is usually not required in this, yet there are some remedies which you can follow for a flat foot. First of all, if you are into physical activity, please wear supportive, well-fitted shoes while doing the physical activity. This is very, very important. Now there are insoles available in the market. Start wearing them. This will help you to put less pressure on the arch and it will help you even to reduce the pain. Now if obesity leads to the flat foot, losing weight may improve the symptom. Sports activities such as riding horse can help you to come out of the flat foot. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Until then, stay blessed.